how to buy Blaze token on Uniswap version 2. Now this token came under the symbol of Blaze. Now before we start, this is not financial advice, I'm not professional or economic expert, so before investing in any project that you find on my channel, please do your own research. Now before going on about this token, make sure to check their X account and keep following the updates about this token, and don't forget to check their community too. Now, as you can see, this token is available on CoinMarketCap. If you want to buy this token on Uniswap version 2, open a new window and type Uniswap version 2 in the mobile search, and you will be able to find this official website. Now click on it. So now wait a few seconds to load the Uniswap page to be able to buy this token on it. Now first of all, what you need to do, in the top right corner, click on connect, and now click on other wallets. Now select the wallet that you want to connect with. For example, I will use the Bitget wallet for that. Now after you connect your wallet, if you don't see your token added here, now go back to CoinMarketCap page on this token, and now go to contracts, and now you can copy the token address from here. As you can see, this token address is under the base network. Now go back to Uniswap version 2, and now click on select token. Make sure to select here the base network, and after that you can type or paste the token address in the search bar. And as you can see, this also can click on it, and now make sure to read all of that, and if you are ready to go, now click on continue. Now as you can see here, click here, and you can now select the token that you want to buy with, for example USDC, and now you can type here how much you want to buy. Now here you will be able to see how much you receive that token. After that, click here on swap, and a pop-up will appear here from your wallet to complete the buy process. So this is how to buy Blaze on Uniswap version 2. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe. See you next video.